So how many crocs do you normally catch and have to remove and then relocate to farms?
Probably average is probably about 300 a year.
300 a year?
From here, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just in the area around Darwin here?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
We've also got a unit in Catherine, which is about 300 k's down the road. The river system there, so the wildlife rangers there also remove the crocs. They have sewage traps. And the other place that we manage is Borroloola, which is a township on the Gulf, Carpentaria, over the east side of the Northern Territory. So they do crocodile management there as well.
And so the crocs go to a farm, and then the farms raise them for meat?
It depends. The farm's primarily for skin.
Okay, for skins.
And the French buy, Louis Vuitton and those sort of companies, they buy all the skins for the fashion industry,
Okay.
for bags and boots and bits and pieces. But the thing is, with the industry, they demand first grade skins, so they need totally unblemished, unmarked, perfect skins for the farm to make its money. And wild crocodiles don't have that, because although they've got a better scale pattern, as in they're tighter scale pattern, because they're not sort of fed out to where the scales spread, you very rarely get a totally unmarked wild skin, because they'll have scratches and marks, and they'll have worm tracks and whatever from living in the wild, or fighting injuries.
I've seen that a lot on American alligators in the wild.
Yeah. So they rarely will take a wild skin. So what the farms do, but the bee farm, we've got one farm that takes all their animals. They'll keep their breeders, so the large males and the large females, because they also do a lot of raising of these. They'll go from egg to the market, basically. So they'll raise those crocodiles up to the size that they need before they harvest them, and then the skins get sent away. So the eggs are good. So breeders are valuable to them, but everything else is just a nuisance for them, really. But
that hog meat you're baiting out with?
Yeah,
Okay.
fair pig, yeah. It keeps smell for a long time, and it sort of stays on the string for a lot longer than buffalo. Chicken just sort of melts away in the heat kind of thing.
So that's pretty much the routine for each trap. Bait it, test the lure function. Alright, David, you can grab that. Step aboard.
I think it came off this one.
That's okay, we'll do that. Yeah. Just give this bait first. Nice thing, give it that bait. No worries.
So you're just slip noosing these dudes, huh?
Sorry?
Slip? Yeah, just a slip knot.
Just giving yourself enough rope to get around the neck, eh? And then it just drops off the end? That's the deal?
What's that? Yeah, it'll come off yet.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'll just,
That's pretty ingenious, actually. Yeah.
alright, so what we do, make sure nothing falls out of the pockets. Where the croc is, it's a chase up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you're going to keep going backwards and
Yeah,
forward.
for sure.
What we attempt to do is when you get this noose, probably in your situation there, Dave, is just make it smaller. Okay, you're probably going to want about that much.
Okay.
Alright, so jam that onto the stick. Yeah. Where's your second stick? Still there. Okay. Alright, so just hold the stick in the other hand. Now you hold your hand. And then just I'll give you a demo. Just hold both in that one hand.
Okay.
Give me this hand. Now just hold it out like you're the crockhead. So the idea is he's got his bottom jaw closed. The idea is you chase him around. What you're trying to do is you get to here when you tap them on the side of the face, so they open their mouth, and then you can get down over here, and then
So you're trying to get the upper jaw?
yeah. And so with these little fellas, that can be difficult, and that's why we neck them. But we try first. So I'll just show you.
Okay.
What you'll do is you see sitting here.
Yep.
You've got to come in from this side. Pretty soft straight away up there, just like that. But what you'll be doing is you'll be getting in front of his face. So if he's got his head up against the wire here, you get your noose down near the front of his face and then try and tap the side of his head.
Okay.
To make him open his jaws. When he opens his jaws, then you get that noose over the top and pull him. And we'll do that for a bit, and if that doesn't work, then we'll just neck him.
we go.
We'll neck him. Yep. Okay, he's up there. You can kind of try to. There he is.
Going back the other way now.
Yep. All right.
Yep. Noose
We'll
fell
work
off.
this end. You work this end. Yep, head and shoulder.
Alright, which way do you go?
Side and halfway. Hang on. You can go. There you go.
So you just,
Over the whole noose now. Over the whole head.
oh, you want to just grab him now?
Yeah, I think so.
Around the neck? Okay.
Yeah.
Get him to get off this. Yeah, okay. Get off.
Right up, pull.
Leave him in the water, Dave.
He's just rolling on the rope right now.
Yeah.
You want to get another rope on his face here or not?
Get him down.
Yeah.
Get rid of those sticks. So what we'll do now is we'll get the snout rope on. Just let him roll and carry on a bit.
Yeah.
In fact, we'll swap you. I'll swap you. Yeah, you. Got this one? So
On the outside, yeah.
hang on a sec. Get this other one out of his mouth. That'll actually settle down.
Yeah.
You're tired.
So They're a lot like gators. They don't have a whole lot of stamina for very
No,
long.
they're a sprinter.
There, come out.
Let's wait for it. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Good enough. Just let it. Leave them in the water for a bit. Try and get that the rope off now. Yep, I agree.
Tore up. Getting mad.
That's what I want. Unwrap. Okay, that'll do for now. Now what I'm going to do is get you, just keep them as is. Keep them as is. We're going to close both jaws, so put the rope through here.
Dave, if you want to take a few steps back, the gate's shut behind you and you'll be a bit more balanced if you want.
You're gun shy after slipping.
Yeah,
This is a good spot
that's
right
right.
Okay.
here. Yeah, this spot's good right here.
Okay, so just hold him for a second.
You just
Okay, so now what we wrap those jaws. Pull them this way. Just hold him. Okay. Hold him straight. Yep. Cover the eyes, calm down a bit. So we put it back behind the horns here to stop
Okay.
it sliding off. Now, take this one here. Put that back leg.
That back leg, yeah, it's back leg.
Now, we need to determine what the sex is. Male, female? No, just leave it down. Just hold its head down. Alright. And you have to do that internally, so lift the tail up. Checked alligators before? So just feel inside the vent there. And you're feeling for a penis or lack of.
Yeah. Pretty deep in there on both sides.
Pretty deep in there.
But I feel a knob in there too. So
I guess probably a little male then.
so I'd say it's a little bit. Yeah.
It's a little male. Yep, that's a male. Alright, so now, okay, I've got his head.
Okay.
You can stand up. And behind. Now, what we're going to do is
I got
put
his tail so he can't go
put the
crazy.
tail between your legs.
Yeah.
So, lift it up and clamp it. So, alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to tie the back legs up.
Okay.
Yep, exactly like that. So, stand up. Stand up on the trap.
shut that gate behind you.
That's it. And then just step back a bit. Lift the tail and clamp it between your knees. That's it, right on. Now, You're going to wrap around, let the legs go, they'll hang. You're going to wrap around the tail.
Okay.
So just go one wrap around the tail. That's it. Now lift the leg up and tie it around the feet. Yep, and the other one. Perfect, right around. Then come down across here. And back up to there. And then across. And then make a cross of it, and then across his back. Perfect, straight around to here. And tear it off. Very professionally done, look at that. Beautiful.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you.
No worries at all.
That was freaking awesome.
Okay. So a little one, but it's
Not for the crocodile. It wasn't pretty.
Fun though.
yeah.
They're all good.
The little ones are actually harder than the big ones. The big
Yeah.
ones are nice and angry, so they just let you do what you need to do straight
Yeah.
away. But yeah.
You get a